Welcome to Ag Experts, a series of conversations with the experts who are leading the way to help commercial agriculture become more sustainable. I'm your host, Amy Yoder. As a sixth-generation farmer and the CEO of Anuvia Plant Nutrients, I'm privileged to have a front row seat to the amazing people, technology, and process changing large-scale crop production.
I think the other thing that people need to understand is this younger generation, as it takes over, it reflects what society reflects today. So these young farmers, as they're really concerned about their carbon footprint. They're concerned about putting carbon back into the soil. They're thinking about water quality, right? Those are all key initiatives for farmers today, and a lot of it's led by this younger generation who's really embracing this technology moving forward to be able to do that.
And how well educated they are. Exactly. And the education that they're utilizing to be able to be specialists in those different areas so that they understand what they can do to be able to make that even further, how they can take the products and make it even greater success. This is a well-educated farm force. That's sometimes a perception that is not always there when you're thinking about the agriculture of the past.
This is the only industry that really can put carbon back in, and then it's another economic opportunity for farmers moving forward.
We're in the early stages of technology of what we can do to capture more in the soil and all that. Like we don't have that all figured out here yet, but we're moving that. But one area we didn't talk about was waste and how we could, and that's one that we could tie back in with you, whether it's manure and we're taking manure and we're utilizing that and more efficiently, we're using different areas how we're using food waste and feeding that to livestock, the importance that insects can play as we're going forward in some of those areas is different areas. The whole area of food waste is something that's getting much more attention today than it has in the past. And Amy, if I look at your company and how you're taking some of these things and utilizing technologies to make a fertilizer product that is easy for the farmer to use, but has all those other benefits that works towards that. That's pretty darn impressive. And I think as you go forward and others go forward, it's even going to get more so.